Hi everyone, it's V. I just wanted to make a quick video because I had gotten a comment on my cozy tea room and custom staircase video asking how to do my stairs now that the interior walls have changed. Blizzard has made it so you can no longer sink the walls into the ground. They will just bounce right back up and it's extremely frustrating. So I went ahead and I messed around a little bit to try to find a solution to this problem while still retaining that look of having a smooth wall with the railings. I just wanted to let everyone know I do not change the sizes of the beams and the platforms in this video. Everything stays at 100%. Now with this method, I just used more beams. They're cheap. They're only 1 point. Before with my build, I used the interior walls and they were 3 points a piece and I used them for every single step. Um, I only recommend doing this with like smaller staircases because the points will rack up, but this is like a really easy, quick way to do like smaller staircases or fill in like those smaller little gaps if you really wanted to. Now, my favorite solution here is using the angled platforms because you can just adjust them to the point where the slope of the angle matches the slope of the steps and it looks nice and smooth. Now, even though I should have made these steps in the same color as the ones in the video with the wood platforms, I wanted to show you with the silver moon platforms, you can use another triangle to line up the design pretty easily to get that nice clean look if you really wanted. This will be harder to do with the wooden platforms because with all the adjusting, the uh, wood, the lines on the wood will not match up with all the adjusting. But if you're fine with that, that's cool. It's your build, but I'm just letting you know that the lines will not match up. Now, you could, like I said, use the triangles to fill in that gap to get that smooth, clean look if you really wanted to, but it's going to be not drastically more expensive, but a little bit more because the panels are 5 points a piece. So if you actually just use the two triangles for the top and the bottom, and a square platform, which you're going to see here in a minute, to fill in that gap, instead of spending 10 points on two platforms, you're only going to spend 5 on one, which makes it a lot better. The reason why I'm using the Silver Moon platforms is because it's kind of like a sneak peek for my next video. It's not done yet, but I am working on it, but I wanted to get this out to you guys to help you out. Here I'm using the Borealis fences again because one, it's the one I have the most of, and two, it's what's used in the video. This works really well, these platforms with these fence posts, because they are just thick enough where they hide the excess of the fences so well without even adjusting the sizes or anything. The fences are again still at 100%. I did not adjust them at all. And look at that, it looks so nice. It looks almost exactly the same, and you got that smooth wall, and you got the railing. Now I also wanted to show you that, like in the video, I turned the steps at a 90-degree angle, and I'm going up now to show you that this method still works with that design. You just need to get another triangle, and it will look a lot nicer if I actually completed the mock staircase, but I just wanted to make a quick video. You adjust it, line it up, take the railings, adjust it until it fits, and then move the panel over so it covers everything. But yeah, that's it. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know, leave a comment, and I will try to reply. I'll try my best to answer because I am also trying to work around this as best as I can. I might use this method. I more than likely will. But yeah, I know it was a bit of a surprise to use my voice today, but if you prefer it, if you like it, let me know, and I will see what I can do about continuing to use it. But oh golly, I should have brought water. But Thank you all again.